Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to track the sleep or sleep cycles on this device. Before we start, if you want to track the sleep cycles on your smart band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Also, you will need to wear your smart band during the sleep. Okay, now let's continue with the tracking. So, first we need to check if the sleep tracking is enabled. And to do it, open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Then tap on the profile icon, select the AMAZFIT Band 7. Then tap on Health Monitoring. And here you have the sleep category. And under the sleep category, you should see Assisted Sleep Monitoring. And this option needs to be enabled. And how it works is basically, if this option is enabled and you're wearing your smart band during the sleep, the band should detect that you're sleeping automatically, and once it detects that you're sleeping, it should start gathering the data. And you can also enable the option to check the sleep breathing quality, but this is the beta feature, so it might not work too well. Okay. And once you enable this option, you go to sleep with your smart band on, gather some data. You can check it in two ways. You can check it on your smart band by waking up the screen, swiping up on the screen to open the menu, then scrolling down, finding the sleep option, the icon, and tapping on it. And here you will have some data about your sleep. I don't have any because I didn't gather any data, but if you did, you should see data here. And we have the sleep score. Let me close this actually. Sleep score, we have the sleep phases, so how much time you spend in each phase, and that's about it on the smart band. On the phone, you can check more detailed data. So to do it, simply open the ZEP application, and on the home page, you should see the sleep option. As you can see, I have no data available, but you can tap on this option, and here you have more detailed view of your sleep data. You have sleep score, time asleep, regularity, sleep stages. You have the statistics for the deep, REM, awake, and naps. You have also option to select a pre-sleep state. So, for example, if you're watching the phone, you can tap on the pre-sleep state to check that you're watching the phone before going to sleep, and you can also, after you wake up, you can select wake up mode if you want to. And this is the statistics for the day. You can also check the statistics for the week, month, and the year. And that's how you track the sleep or sleep cycles on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.